Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I like to do another stationery subscription review, and this time we'll be doing the very popular Archer & Olive. It was a stationery brand started by a woman named Bonnie, and Archer & Olive were the name of her two cats. The story of Archer & Olive is Archer & Olive is a stationery company that creates a space for anyone who wants to support their own mental wellness through journaling and creativity. All began when A&O founder Bonnie Cole, sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, discovered the importance of art and journaling on her own personal mental health journey. Their mission statement is, our mission at Archer & Olive is twofold. Firstly, to create purposeful products and experiences to improve mental health through creativity. Secondly, to invite art and creativity into the conversation about mental health in the wellness world, even for those who don't consider themselves creative. Their promise is, as a business in the USA, we understand the significance of how and where you spend your money. We create high-quality, ethically made, eco-friendly products and strive to offer experiences that match. We can't be perfect, but we can usually make it right, and we will definitely try. So right off the bat, I really love that they're incorporating mental health into stationery because that's not usually an angle you see or something that people consider. Click on subscriptions, you're taken to a page where there's two different things. Archer & Olive offer two different subscriptions. They have their quarterly subscription box and their Kit Club subscription box. I'm going to start with the Kit Club subscription box because it's cheaper. When you click on the Kit Club subscription, it says, welcome to the club. Pictured is the January subscription. Kit Club contains everything you need to create a cohesive theme in your planner or bullet journal. Each month you will receive a new kit including washi tape, stickers, collage paper, and more. Your monthly setup has never been so easy. Each month your kit will include washi tape, 2 designs with 2 meters of each design, 5 unique sticker sheets, theme and journaling, and 8 sheets of, I think they meant to say 8 sheets of collage paper, but it's not showing on the mobile site for some weird reason. I love that it shows you the theme that you're going to get for the month. I'm currently filming this in December, so that's why it's showing the January month, but I don't know when this is going to go up, so I'm sorry for any confusion. It says that the kit is $25 and the delivery frequency is the first of every month. So I think that means that you get charged the first of every month. Very important to note, this is a subscription purchase, so the moment you buy it, you will be subscribed to this charge every month. So if you only wanted to buy this one time, make sure you check to see if you're still subscribed and cancel if you don't want to be charged again. Important information. Going forward, subscribers will be billed on the first of every month. Shipping is free for the lower 48 United States with flat rate shipping for international customers. Kit Club will open to new subscribers on the second Tuesday of every month. Each theme will be posted to this listing 5 days prior to billing. This kit cannot be combined with any other orders, and the kit is not discount eligible. I love that they describe all of the shipping information for you, and they also tell you when you're going to see the sneak peek and when you're going to be billed. Onto the quarterly subscription box. On the top of the page, there's a banner that says what the theme is already. So right now, as I'm filming this, it says, welcome to the Cottage Comfort, December subscription box. What you can expect with the Archer & Olive subscription. A special coupon code each quarter as a thank you for being a subscriber. Each quarter you can expect an exclusive curated experience focused on journaling, stationery, and creativity for mental health. The products included will be thoughtfully selected and designed to foster creativity and suit the theme of the box. Unique exclusive items you already know and love from Archer & Olive, as well as some experimental new products that may be released individually in the future. You always get at least 2 notebooks, additional tools and supplies focused on journaling and creativity, high quality and excellent value. Like the other one, it says, this is a subscription purchase. You will be charged quarterly on the 1st of June, September, December, and March. Please review the shipping returns for subscription box policies. Domestic shipping. Orders will go out within 4 business days from the day that the order was placed. However, most will ship within 24 to 48 hours. Domestic shipping for all lower 48 states starts at $8 and free on orders over $150. Hawaii and Alaska have live rates that may vary. For international shipping, Archer & Olive ships worldwide. Worldwide shipping is based on a live algorithm and prices will vary. I really love how informative they are in their product description about the shipping rates and when things are supposed to be processed and when they will be sent out. So when you get your Olive and Archer subscription kit, it comes in a hard envelope like this. I already opened it up. And inside is the clear sleeve that they mentioned, and it holds all of the things in the subscription kit. First up, you have the washi samples, and in the description it says you get 2 meters of each. It rips pretty easily. Swatch them both on this piece of paper. It seems like red and white flowers with blue accents. Next up, I see these. I thought they were vinyls, but they seem really stiff, like very thin cardboard. And I think this is the mystery stationery item, but I'm not exactly sure what it is, and I don't know what I would use it for. I thought they were vinyls, and that would make them so much more usable to me, but let me know down below what you would use thin decorative cardboard pieces for. Next, we have the 8 sheets of collage paper, and these are the 4 designs. We have this floral one, which looks like one of the washi tape samples, but actually isn't. We have this one with white polka dots, I think, that are all different sizes. It kind of makes it look like stars. And then the last 2 are these 2 dotted pages. One is kind of a cream color, and one is this light aqua. Finally, we have the 4 sticker sheets. This one is mostly for decorative purposes. We have some days of the week and banners as well. More days of the week, as well as date covers. And then these, I would assume, are full boxes, but because of the texture, it seems like you can write on them pretty easily. So this is everything you get in the subscription kit. I compared the width of these stickers to some other sticker kits I have, and I think they're the same size as stickers you would get for a vertical kit like the Erin Condren. But I also think that you could use this spread for bullet journaling with the inclusion of the washi tapes and the scrapbooking paper. I think you can make a really cohesive spread as well. I'm still confused about what to do with these cardboard vinyls, and I really wish they included the pen instead, but overall I really like that you have a cohesive theme each month. Onto the subscription box. It's so big it can barely fit into the frame, but as you can see, the theme this quarter is Cottage Comfort. Embrace the serene charm and let the warmth and tranquility of folk design uplift your creativity during the dark winter evenings. Step inside our cozy cottage featuring beautifully crafted stationery inspired by knits and vibrant threads to bring a touch of warm elegance to your journaling experience. Inside, as you can see, every item is individually wrapped, which I really like about our Turn Olive. It makes it seem like you're opening a series of presents. This is the card, I'm assuming, that shows you everything that's inside. So I'm going to start off with this square envelope. I'm going to move the box aside so I have room to show you. I'm going to start with the square envelope. And on the back it says that it is a stamp set. And it's a set of clear stamps in these folk patterns. On the card it says, for the acrylic stamps, elevate your creative projects with this folk art inspired acrylic stamp kit. Second item is this thin envelope. In the back it says embroidered bookmark. Inside you have this beautiful bookmark made of fabric, and it's embroidered, and it has a gold tassel at the end. And the description says, add texture and style to your notebook with our embroidered bookmark. Showcasing a modern primary color palette and folk art design, your place will be saved with style. Next we have set up acrylographs, which is a marker that Archer and Olive carries. It's their brand of markers, I would say. Acrylographs are basically paint pens, I think. And since they came out with them, they've come out with a lot of different designs and styles. Like they even have brush lettering. And with every set now they come with some name stickers. We have this red one, which is red herring. This dark blue, which I think is either Dutch blue or cerulean. This more slate blue, which again is either cerulean or Dutch blue. We have this beige, which is vanilla cream, and a gray, which is cozy gray. And to use these, you have to shake them up, and then it will, I'll show you, it'll come out of the tip. You can see the color dispensing out through this tip, and then when it's fully saturated, you can use it. Next, we have this tiny square box, and it's filled with, oh, I thought they were stickers, but I think they're patches. The description says, these are vegan leather stickers. We can't wait to see how you like our new vegan leather stickers. Embossed with 6 unique designs, each sticker showcases charming, cozy designs that invoke the warmth of cottage life. Next up, we have this big square box, and it says it is a paper punch. If you didn't know what a paper punch is, it's kind of like a hole punch, except in recent years, they've really come out with really cute designs instead of just your standard circle punch. So I'm going to show you on this piece of paper. It looks like. And it makes that design on a corner of the page, which I think is really lovely. Next we have this small rectangular box, which I think contains the washi tapes. It says decorative tape. And these are the 4 designs. Next up we have this big square box, which includes their petal ink pad. And I think it's an ink pad with 8 colors on it. The card says, along with 8 vibrant ink hues, these stamps give you everything you need to create your own patterns and scenes to bring warmth and personality to all of your creations. Last but not least, we have the 2 notebooks that every single box offers. I'm going to start with the smaller notebook, and I removed the shrink wrap so it's easier to open. And inside we have this beautiful, I think it's denim, this denim cover notebook, A5 notebook with this blue and red foiled design. I think it's embroidered. Inside you just have your standard Arch and Olive dot grid. Lastly, you have the big 8x8 notebook. The cover design is this beautiful sweater design. It's a fabric cover, and inside you have, the standard white Arch and Olive dot grid. So this is everything you get in this month's, for the December 2024 Arch and Olive quarterly subscription box. I really love that everything is so cohesive in theme, and I feel like you get a lot for the value. I feel like you get a lot for the price because I can barely fit it in the frame of my camera. The items I'm most excited to use is definitely the paper punch because I don't have anything like that, but I'm also really excited about the notebooks. I like that they come out with new notebook designs for every box. I forgot to say with the ink pad, the box also came with an acrylic block for you to mount your clear stamps on while you ink up your stamps. Hi, please excuse the different camera angle. The sun is coming on really strong, but I really wanted to finish this video. So my final thoughts for the Arch and Olive subscription kits is that I personally feel that the subscription kit is a little expensive for what it is, because I just feel that there are comparable products out there. A more comparable brand I would recommend is Simply Gilded, because they also include washi tapes and a sticker kit. And this isn't a Simply Gilded ad or anything, but it's just that I'm aware of its existence. And for that kit, you get it for $30. You get the full-size washi tapes, and you get around 5 to 7 of them. And for Arch and Olive, you only get 2 samples of a washi tape, 4 sticker sheets, and 8 scrapbooking pieces of paper, as well as a mystery stationery item. And to me, that is just not worth the money when there is another product out there that gives you more sticker sheets for your sticker kit, more washi tapes, and they also give you a pen. So for me personally, I do not think the subscription kit is worth the money, but I understand if you personally like Arch and Olive's aesthetic and you're paying for that, because this is a one-of-a-kind design that they personally made for their brand. So I understand if you're buying it for that, but I just want to make you aware that there are other options out there in the market. As for the subscription box, $75 is a lot of money. But if you look at the products on their website, you can see that you have a better understanding of where the price point is coming from, because a notebook there is typically over $20 already. So by including 2 notebooks, you're already supposed to be getting like $40 worth of value. Arch and Olive washi tapes are also quite expensive. So by including those, I think you're definitely getting your money's worth in terms of buying the similar items on their website. As with all subscription products that don't have set things, like what I like about the subscription kit is that you know what you're getting every month. You're getting the 2 washi tape samples, the 4 sticker kit, and the 8 cup and the 8 scrapbooking papers, as well as a mystery item. But for the subscription box, it's a little more of a mystery. So it's kind of hit or miss what you get every month. While you might like something one month, the next month it might have something that you might not see yourself using a lot. I guess that's the surprise element of getting a subscription, is that you do get surprised every month. Whether or not it's worth it to you might depend on the things you get. What I do like though is that they include a wide variety of items, so it's not destined for like someone who does scrapbooking or journaling, but it has a lot of different stationery items that a lot of people will like the majority of. And I do like the majority of the box, but I just wanted to tell you to keep in mind that each month all the items can be vastly different. But to counteract that, Archer and Olive do release a video on their YouTube channel every month before the billing occurs, so you can see exactly what's in the box and you can determine whether or not you want to receive the subscription for the month. So that is everything you get for the Archer and Olive subscription services. I hope this video was informative and entertaining. I hope you learned something about the subscriptions that Archer and Olive delivers. Please comment down below if you have subscribed or you're thinking about subscribing to Archer and Olive. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!